This is a video on what to do with a gas lift strut bed if it is stuck. So it may have happened because you've just recently assembled your bed, or perhaps you've had it in storage for a while and then you put it all back together, and then when you put it back together you push down and it just won't shut down. Firstly, you want to make sure you've installed the gas struts the right way. Usually the solid thicker bits at the top, and then the piston is in the bottom there, that will insert in. And just make sure both are the same. And then, instead of just pulling down from this end, what you can do is push down just where it connects, just at the top of the gas strut. Just push down there, and you'll find most times that will get a bit of movement in there, and that little bit of movement might be enough to unlock it. And do the same to the other side. The other thing you can do is you can put the mattress on top of the bed, and the additional weight will help when you're pushing down above the piston to close it. So I've now unlocked that one. It's a lot easier to push down, and I'll just do the same to the other side. So again, at the top of where the piston is, just push down. Yep, just loosens it up. And now I can push the bed down. There we go. And this obviously will be a lot easier if the bed has weight on it, because if you put the mattress on. And there we go. That's how you unlock the gas struts on a gas lift bed. It's pretty simple and easy. So hopefully this video has helped you out. If it has, leave a comment and like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.